Operations on matrices. The first part of the operations on matrices is addition and subtraction. How to do the additions and subtraction process in matrices? Now we are given three matrices here. Matrix A in order 2 times 2. Matrix B in order 2 times 2 also. Matrix C in order 2 times 1. How to do the additions between matrix A and matrix B? You can see there, matrix A and matrix B have the same orders. So the additions between matrix A and matrix B is defined. Matrix A, the element of A11 plus matrix B, the element A11, that means 1 plus 4, the answer is 5. The elements of matrix A, A12, and the element of matrix B, A12, that means 2 plus 3, the answer is 5. The elements of matrix A, A21 plus the element of matrix B, A21, that means 3 plus negative 5, the answer is negative 2. The elements of matrix A, A22, and the elements of matrix B, A22, that means 4 plus 6, the answer is 10. How to do the subtraction process between A minus B? Since matrix A in order 2 times 2 and matrix B in order 2 times 1, so the matrices have same orders. That means matrix A minus matrix B is defined. So how to do the process? Matrix A minus matrix B. The elements of matrix A, A11 minus the element of matrix B, A11, that means 1 minus 4, the answer is negative 3. The elements of matrix A, A12 minus the element of matrix B, minus 1, 2, that means 2 minus 3, the answer is negative 1. The elements of matrix A, A21 minus the element of matrix B, A21, that means 3 minus negative 4, that means the answer is 8. The element of matrix A, A22 minus the element of matrix B, A22, that means 4 minus 6, the answer is negative 2. So you can see there the operations of addition and subtraction in order 2 times 2, same order of matrix A and matrix B. How about A plus C? The order of matrix A is 2 times 2, but the order of matrix C is 2 times 1. Since matrix A and matrix C have different order, so different order, that means matrix A and matrix C, the process of additions is not defined. This situation we call incompatible. So we are going to continue about the scalar multiplications. That means how to find 2a minus 3b. Okay, 2a. That means Matrix A is multiplied by the scalar 2 and matrix B is multiplied by the scalar 3. So 2 multiplied by matrix A 1, 4, 5, 3 and minus 3 matrix B 3, 6, 2, 4. 3, 6, 4, 2. So you must multiply scalar with the matrix first. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 3, 6, minus 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 6, 11, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 2, 6. So, and then you do the subtraction process. 2 minus 9, the answer is negative 7. 8 minus 18, the answer is negative 10. 10 minus 12, the answer is negative 2. 6 minus 6, the answer is 0. So this is the answer. Going to proceed about multiplications of matrices. The multiplications of matrices is defined only when the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Let's say matrix A is the first matrix in order 2 times 3 and matrix B is the second matrix in order 3 times 2. You can see here the multiplications of matrix A and matrix B is defined because the number of columns of matrix A is equal the number of row of matrix B. So the answer must be in order 2 times 2. So how to do the process of matrix A and B multiplication? Let's say matrix A times matrix B. You rewrite matrix A and matrix B. So the answer is how to do the process. The first row of matrix A multiply the first column of matrix B. That means 1 times 2 plus 2 times negative 3 plus 3 times 2. And the second one, the first row of matrix A multiplied by the second column of matrix B. That means 1 times 1 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 1. And then the second rows of matrix A multiplied by the first column of matrix B. Negative 2 times 2 plus 0 times negative 3 plus 5 times 2. And the next negative, that means the second row of matrix A multiplied by the second column of matrix B. Negative 2 times 1 plus 0 times 4 plus 5 times 1. So the answer is, after you simplify, 1 times 2, 2. 2 times negative 3, negative 6 plus 3 times 2. So 2 minus 6 plus 6. The answer is 2. 1 plus 8 plus 3. The answer is 12. Negative 4 plus 0 plus 10. The answer is 6. Negative 2 plus 0 plus 5. The answer is 3. This is the answer of the product matrix A and matrix B. The answer in order 2 times 2.